Hello and welcome to my channel. How you can remove the watermark from your image. Open your search engine and type watermark remover. Open the first link on Google or type watermarkremover.io. You can see upload image here on website. Upload an image from your computer or add the URL of the image directly from a website. Which watermark you want to remove. Your image should be in JPG, PNG, JPEG, web format. Wait a moment, and here it is, free to download and use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.